Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss infection control principles and practices. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. Today we are going to be learning about infection control principles and practices. There is much confusion about the misuse of the terms cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, and sterilizing within the professional beauty and barbering industry. It is more common for infection control professionals to use the term cleaning. Cleaning is defined as a mechanical process, scrubbing using soap and water or detergent and water to remove all visible dirt, debris, and many disease-causing germs. Sanitizing is defined as a chemical process for reducing the number of disease-causing germs on clean surfaces to a safe level. Disinfecting is defined as a chemical process for use with non-porous items that use specific products to destroy harmful organisms on implements and environmental surfaces. It is your responsibility as a professional barber to use proper and effective infection control methods that help safeguard your health and the health of your clients. You are also responsible for employing safe work practices to help prevent accidents and injuries from occurring in the workplace. Have you ever had to go to the restroom at the barbershop and walk in and you had to say a little prayer? Please, Lord, don't let me catch anything in here while I pee, and don't let anything jump on me. Let's discuss why you should study infection control principles and practices. Because it's important to know about the pathogens you and your clients may be exposed to using that nasty bathroom at the shop, and so you understand their modes of transmission. Also, understanding and practicing proper infection control within the laws and rules will help safeguard your health, the health of your clients, and your business. It is important to respect the procedures for handling chemicals used in cleaning and disinfecting by reading labels and following manufacturer's instructions to keep you and your clients safe. Plus, practicing safety precautions on a daily basis protects your clients and your license. And lastly, a responsible professional barber is conscientious about infection control and safety. Today, we have discussed cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. We talked about why you should study infection control principles and practices, and let you know how important it is to respect the procedures for handling chemicals. Now, here's your assignment. Make sure that you watch infection control principles and practices too, and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you'd like more information about our Barber Bootcamp, make sure that you visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.